Hello and welcome back, guys. Welcome to the Slightly Doped e-learning platform. Today we are going to share a free web development course offered by Google where you will get free certificate. Wow, awesome, right? Free course with free certificate, that is also from Google. And you all know the importance of a certificate from the Google, right? Okay, so here is the certificate that you are going to get, and if you are interested to take this free web development course along with the free certificate, then do watch the full video. With that being said, let's jump into the computer screen. So guys, you all know that web development is a trending technology in today's market. So I'll highly recommend to take this course and get certified from Google. It will help you to get a good job as well as enrich your resume. So before starting the video, I will request you to subscribe our channel by clicking on the red button and press the bell icon so that you never miss any future videos. Okay, now the link is given in the description. You can complete this course from any device of your choice, mobile or laptop. So here is the course that I am going to share with you all, Google Web Designer Basics. So basically there are three modules available. The first one is of 10 minutes, the second one is of 12 minutes, and the third one is also of 10 minutes. So you will take 32 minutes to complete this Google Web Designer Basic course, and then you have to take a assessment which is of 7 minutes. So if you pass this assessment, then you will earn an achievement, so you will unlock the certificate. So you have to log in, sign in with Google. After signing with any of your Google account, you have to click on I accept the terms of service and then click on submit. So you will get a pop-up of welcome, and then you have to click on yes and then save. Okay, so you will see the interface of Google Web Designer Basics. So you have to complete the modules three modules that are available. So firstly, you have to click on the first one, and the course will be loaded, and you can see the full course in this page. So basically this is Google Web Designers template tutorial, basic tutorial, but without any coding. So you can see the details of the course. So here you will learn about banner ads, how to create the banner ads from scratch. You will learn how to create the banner ads using Google Web Designer. So you can take the course and read the documentations and then go to the down. So as you can see, it has clearly mentioned that you will learn how to create banner ads. So this is the documentation, and there is a video related to this topic. You can watch the full video, and then you have to answer a multiple choice question. You have to go to the end, and I am done with this course. Click on that and return to activity. So the first page will be open up again. Then you have to complete the second course. The first course will be ticked, means you have completed the first course, and you have to skip to the second one. So basically this course will take 12 minutes approx, but you can also complete this course before that time. So here you will learn about interstitial ads. So the complete details will be given in this page, but keep it in mind that without any coding, you have to use the Google platform and you can learn everything about this. So here is also a video supporting to the topic, and again a multiple choice question. Okay, got it. Then you have to again repeat the process, and I am done with this course. Click on that and return to activity. So you are done with two modules, and the last one, click on that and the course will be loaded, and the last course is of 10 minutes approx. You can also complete that before that time. So here you will learn about expandable ad. So basically here you will learn how to add animations to your creatives and how to create an expandable ad from scratch using Google Web Designer. Okay, so here is the total course of this module. You can go through this, and then you have to watch this full video to complete the course, and as usual I'm done with this. Okay, then return to activity. So you are done with this 3 module, and now you are ready to take the assessment test. So click on that and the question will come up. So you have to answer 15 multiple choice questions, and after submitting that you will get a congratulations, and the certificate will be unlocked, and you can see your certificate. It will look like this. The name will be highlighted at the top, and you can also download this certificate. You can see a print option above, and click on save as PDF. Okay, so then click on save, and you can download this certificate and also print as a hard copy. Okay, so you are done with this. You can attempt the assessment as many times as you want and take your certificate. Now click on the close button. So that's it. That's all for this video. Hope you like this video. Do give it a thumbs up, share with your friends, and subscribe to the Slightly Doped channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.